I'm Dr. Zona Palma, and in this series I'm teaching you how to use my process, Sub-Diagnostic analysis, to wrap your head around a common medical problem. Let's talk about elevated blood sugar. One very common yet frequently overlooked root cause of high blood sugar, insulin resistance, diabetes, and other metabolic diseases is actually elevated iron. All doctors have known that iron accumulation in the tissues can cause those problems for centuries because of this genetic disease that causes massive iron overload. That's called hemochromatosis, or as they used to call it back in the day, bronzing diabetes, because people would literally turn orange and get diabetes. Fewer doctors, though, have appreciated the more recent data showing that even mild iron overload and mildly elevated serum iron levels are associated with metabolic diseases and cardiovascular and neurodegenerative diseases. Iron is a pro-oxidant, so it basically rusts your tissues. Accumulation of iron impairs insulin production in the pancreas, it decreases insulin sensitivity in the liver, and it decreases glucose uptake in the muscles. Several clinical trials have suggested that removing iron, either with blood donation or phlebotomy, can reverse elevated blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, improve cholesterol and fatty liver, and reduce attacks of gout. In one study, the hemoglobin A1C, which is the 3-month average blood sugar of the participants, went from diabetic range to non-diabetic range after just 3 blood draws. And those changes persisted a year after the blood draws were finished. In a 2012 study of people with metabolic syndrome, depleting their iron stores lowered blood pressure, resting heart rate, fasting glucose, hemoglobin A1C, and improved cholesterol markers. And this doesn't just work in people with existing medical problems. The blood sugar lowering effects of iron depletion have been replicated in healthy volunteers after even a single session of phlebotomy. If you want to read about it yourself, this review is a good place to start. And you can follow me for more intel.